you are looking for more closet space or a temporary closet or even permanent closet solution, check out this garment rack from VIPEK. They sent me this to review and I thank them for that. I think it's going to make my wife very happy. Comes with wall anchors to attach it to the wall and spare parts as well in case any get damaged or you lose some, which is super helpful. Now let's take a closer look at the garment rack. So this was very easy to put together, and it even has wheels so you can move it around, get it out of the area. Of course, a little less, and they're even locking, as you can see. 2 locking casters. Has these ties right here to put everything aside. You have the shelving right here so you could store shoes or other things down there. And then you have here this bar right here to hold everything in. So you can hold a lot of clothes in here. Look at, we got tons of room still. And you have these hooks to hang more things on as well. I'm gonna try to show you how they attach. So there's really not any tools needed. They just have, see how there's these little divots, little lines? So you can put these little plastic things anywhere in there, and then these just slide on over them. All right, it's a little dark in there, but you can check it out. You can see what I'm seeing right here. You can see this has this cover, which you can take on or off. It just ties on there. You do want to hit these with a rubber mount to get them really tight, but these are super sturdy, nice metal. Everything works good, and you can undo these here, and here, and here, and then zip it back up. Very easy to do. Nice zippers on it. Then we have to connect that one in the center. Pug's not included. And you can see it has this little flap to hang over the zipper so you don't see it as much. You can even keep your dogs out of here. And it has this extra zipper right here. You can see this is how it looks all closed up. Keeps everything private, keeps it out of the way. Even if it's in like a shared space or something, it's pretty big. If it's in a shared space or something, people aren't just staring at your clothes, which can be a little awkward. Maybe you live in a studio, something like that. You need some more closet space. Or you could even put it in your existing closet as an organizer. Nice to keep it out of the way. Very nice product, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.